Okay, starting from the sound booth is off. I want to make sure both windows are open so you can hear what's going on correctly. We need this machine on, and we will open Firefox. You can go up to the address bar, click the down arrow. Pandora should be towards the top. Fire it up. Want to make sure that it is John of Tranquility's account, and we will put it on Perpetual John's Shuffle from this choice of here. Make sure it's on Perpetual John's Shuffle. That's fine, and so that has a various selection of genres. Turn on the board. Once it lights up, we will select Scene. And make sure, turn the dial until it goes to Scene 2, which is normal, and select Recall. We'll mute every channel. Turn up the main all the way to Unity, and all voice. Same thing, brought to Unity. We're going to unmute the PC, which is 2 channels. Leave it down. Then we'll go to soprano and alto, bring those to Unity. And the 2 wireless microphones, we'll bring those to Unity. Make sure that they are both at the same level. That's 17 and 18. So you look here at 17 and 18. 18 is a little low, so we'll bring that back to the same as 17. And we'll change to input. And you can see that there is audio coming through from the PC. So with the mains up, we'll bring up the music. And you can hear it now. Go to the video selector and change it to bingo. We'll go to the spotlights, turn them on. Uncheck blackout. And we leave it at about 60% with everything up. We'll grab our batteries. 2 are missing, most likely from a microphone someone already used, so we'll put those back and replace them with 2 new. Okay, I've got fresh batteries in my microphones. I'm going to unmute both, and we're going to do a quick check. Test 1, 2. Test, test. Okay, with working microphones, we'll take those and drop them off at the front tables. We'll grab our remotes and start turning on the projectors as we move up there. Markings on the backs of the projectors tell us which projectors to use. Okay, with all the projectors turned on, I'm going to leave the remotes at the stage and start setting up. Place the raffle drum on the front table and take the key and place that on the stand. All right, before we wheel the bingo machine out completely, we'll open the front floor pocket. Make sure that guy gets in there. And place this over here, and then we're going to wheel it in front of this. Okay, with the bingo machine placed in front like this, we'll take our Ethernet cable over to the front stage, our center stage pocket. We're going to connect to just the one Ethernet port that's in there. So I'll run that Ethernet line, that yellow line, behind this floor monitor over to the bingo machine. Take the video repeater and the power supply. This guy can get set right here. Plug in the Ethernet line to any of the ports, doesn't matter. Plug in the power supply for it. It should light up, and we want to make sure that it's on VGA, which it is. If it is not, I think there's a white, this white button right here changes the different modes. You want to make sure it's on VGA. Go around to the front. We should grab two cables that should be mixed together or wrapped together. That's the power for the machine and the VGA connection. Want to string this around the front and hook it up here. Okay, I've got the VGA connection hooked up. Make sure to screw these down. Power for the bingo machine. And I've also run and mounted the cooling fan. Now it's time to work on audio. So, first thing is I'll take our bingo mic cable and string this along to the other side. We'll go to the mics that are on stage and just give them a tap to determine which ones are active. Nope. 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 Those mics are working because I had not unmuted them. Make sure they're unmuted before you leave. Make sure that the sub buses are up along with the mains and that the two faders are up. Okay, back on stage. Nope. That's one. That's two. And no. So we'll take one and we'll put it on the mic stand for the announcements. The other one we're going to string along the floor to connect with the bingo machine microphone. All right, the main microphone is there. Make sure that the leg is pointing that way, same direction as the stand. Run another microphone cable. Leave the microphone there, by the way. And I've connected it to the bingo machine mic. So we'll run a test of that microphone. Says test. So we know that works. Now it's time to turn on the bingo machine. And now we want to make sure that we see something pop up on the video as it's booting up. Windows is starting. And yes, Windows is starting. All right, it's finished booting. Screen will go blank. Select Power Play. We do not need to restore, so we'll click No. We'll select a session. In this case, it's going to be AV Church 1. And hit OK. I'll jump game and go to the flashboard. Click OK. Now we should see a number board on the screen, which means we are good to go. Optionally, you can bring the monitor over here. Make sure it's turned on. I'll run the cables this way and then clean up the cables that are here. We want to make sure that we take our two side camera or projector feeds off of the far connections. So we're going to swing these over to these two ports here. Make sure all four are in these ports anywhere on this machine. Okay, now that I have them all on the same distribution system, all four front screens should show the same information.